Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay, so in this YouTube tutorial we're gonna learn how you can upload videos on your YouTube channel in 2019. Alright, so to do this, just go and click on this icon, create a video or post. Click on upload video. Now we're gonna click on select files to upload or drag and drop files right here. Okay, and we're gonna choose public. So click on this icon and choose the video you want to upload on YouTube. So I'm gonna click on that and click on open. Okay, so now YouTube uploading this video. We see 1%, about 5 minutes remaining. So in the meantime we can customize our video. So we have the title. So I'm gonna edit this title. We're gonna have part 4. And as you can see, we can only have 100 characters. Like that. So now we got 99 of 100. Alright. Now we can add a description for this video. So just add a description that describes what your video is all about. Okay, and then I'm gonna add my playlist link because this is a playlist. So you can add the links to your email, your Instagram, and things like that. Alright, just add the description until you are satisfied. Then we got tags. Just add tags that describes this video content. So as you can see, we got 54 of 500 characters. So just add all the tags you need for this video. Okay, so I'm done. I have added my tags, and I got this tag tools. This is from TubeBuddy. To use this, you need to install it. I can leave a link below, so you can check that out. Then you can do this new premieres, make it a moment, build the hype and get fans excited about your next video. Schedule your premiere, share your watch page URL with your fans, chat with fans before and during the premiere, watch the premiere with fans in real time, okay? So you can click on learn more and check this one to make this video a premiere. Then we got public. So we got public, unlisted, private or schedule. So if you use public, everyone gonna see your video. If you use unlisted, no one can see your video except you. You got private, you can share a link and only the people with the link can see the video. Or you can choose schedule, you can add a time to upload this video, you can set a date, a time, you can choose the time zone. Okay, so I'm gonna click on public, and then we can add this to a playlist. So we can create a new playlist right here. Choose the public, unlisted or private, add a name and click on create. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one, Shopify Brooklyn theme customization tutorial, like that. Now we can see the playlist right here. Then we can go down and we can add a custom thumbnail. Maximum file size is 2 megabytes. And if you cannot find this custom thumbnail, that means you need to enable it. And I will create a video on how you can enable this custom thumbnail. When it's done, I will add a link in the description below. In the meantime, you can use the 3 images to the left. Okay, so let's click on custom thumbnail and choose the thumbnail you want to use. Click on open, and now it's uploading like that, and we can see the video right here like that. Then you got this translation. If you want, you can translate your original language to another language. Okay, you don't have to do this. We can go to monetize. If you have enabled monetization on your YouTube channel, you can choose to turn off or turn on, like that. You need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours the last year to enable YouTube ads. Okay. Then you can choose ad formats, display ads, overlay ads, sponsored ads, skippable video ads, and non-skippable video ads. Okay. Then we got advanced settings. So here you can choose to allow comments or not. You can choose allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review. Okay. Sort by top comments or newest first. Users can view rating for this video, yes or no. Then we're gonna choose license and rights ownership. I'm choosing standard YouTube license. You can choose creator commons. I think this means that people can use your video in their videos. Okay, so I'm gonna use standard YouTube license. Then we got syndications. We can choose everywhere. So this means make this video available on all platforms, or we can choose monetized platforms, make this video available only on monetized platforms. So I think the best option is this one, everywhere. Then we got caption certification. So this content has never aired on television in the US, or you can choose one of these. Okay. Distribution options, allow embedding. So allow others to embed your video in their sites. You can click on learn more right here. So I'm gonna check this one. Then we got publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Yes. So your subscribers will see this video in their subscription feed and receive notification if they have chosen to receive them. Okay. So I'm gonna check this one. Age restriction. So if you have adult content, you need to check this one. And we got category. You can choose film and animation, autos and vehicles, music, pets and animals, and so on. My channel is about how-to and style. I'm gonna check this one. Choose video language. You can search for a language right here, or choose one of these. Okay, so I'm gonna choose English. Then we got community contributions. So allow viewers to contribute, translate the titles, description and subtitles. So I'm gonna check this one, recording date. I'm just gonna click right here to get the recording date. Then we got video statistics. Okay, so make video statistics on the watch page publicly visible. Okay, so this means video statistics on the watch page can be accessed by clicking the chart icon below the video, so they can see some analytics about the video. If you don't want to show this to the competition, you can uncheck this one. Okay. Then we got content declaration. So this video contains paid promotion such as paid product placement, sponsorships and endorsement. So please click learn more to read more about this. So this is if you have a paid product in your video. You can check this one. And you can also add a small text that helps to inform the viewers that you have a paid promotion in your video. Okay. So in this video I don't have a paid promotion, so I'm gonna uncheck this one. So that's it. You can just go to basic information, just check it one more time. And when you're satisfied, you can just click on publish. Like that, and now you can share this link to your social media. You can embed it somewhere on your website. You can share it to emails and things like that. And what I do next, I'm gonna add some end screen. I'm gonna go to Create Studio. I'm gonna click on Edit right here. And I'm gonna click on end screen. And I'm just gonna import from another video. And now we got an end screen right here. And I have made a video more in depth how you can add end screen to your YouTube video. So I will leave a link below. Okay. So I'm just gonna click on save. Like that. So you can go and click right here, info and settings. If you need to make some changes right here in the title, the description, some tags, change it from public to unlisted, private. Okay everyone, so this is how you can upload videos on YouTube in 2019. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so this is the end of this tutorial. I hope this helped. If you want, you can leave a comment below. You can subscribe to my channel right here. And also check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.